Nah, that's not me. Can't be a waste man, that's not me. Living at mumsy's, that's not me. Then when I clumsy, that's not me. Nah, that's not me. In need of a handout, that's not me. I'm not holding my hand out, that's not me. There's a dickhead thing, nah, that's not me. Talk to the boy, them, that's not me. Informer, that's not me. Spill the beans, nah, that's not me. Whiskey and cheese, nah, that's not me. Having a battle, that's not me. What you thought you was double, that's not me. Then when I'm styling, that's not me. Then when I'm swagging, that's not me.
Thought I was him, look quite similar, thought I was him. That guy there had a box like man, them man truly thought I was him. Girls wanna go out to a rave, take a picture and get likes, who thought I was him. None of them operations that I had held me back, but he thought I was him. Did I have a box on my head? Did I have a box on my head to the year 06? Guy tried it on me, I don't know why. Till I start dishing out chops and kicks in your house, start throwing rocks and bricks, make man take off the socks and kicks. Better know that's not me, it's an act up, get your box off clean.
No, that's not me. Act like a waste man, that's not me. Sex any girl, nah, that's not me. Lips any girl, nah, that's not me. Yeah, I used to wear Gucci, I put it all in the bin, cause that's not me. True, I used to look like you, but dressing like a mess, nah, that's not me.
Walk in the room, spray what I like. See on the wing, that's not hype. I was a stereo without the type. Must be after a strike. I said, that's not right. Hungry monkeys about the age. Skin colour or height. Covered in armour, must be a night. Trust any girl, not even a slight. Trust any girl, not even an inch. Someone like salt, and I took a whole lot more than a pinch. Wow, I'm from the famous bits. Mine come across 2-3 hypocrites. Girls in shorts, even it's blitz. Real life stories, that's not me. President T transmits.
I always have problems with doors that cause I hate wearing jeans. I only came to the rave just to grab 2 gallons, be 116. Bouncer asked me for ID, looked straight in my face, said that's not me. I was like, fall back my G, man, and with Skepta and Jeremy, man, I'm serious, what you mean? Everybody knows me out chat, so I don't need no ID out chat. Invasion alert, make P out chat. Rephrase that, we take the P out chat. Nobody even wants you to be out chat. I flew in special to MC out chat. Man, I wrote VIP out chat, so why is he trying to act off key?
Nah, that's not me, cause I'm putting my C on the map properly, can't rap properly. Talk about clash, but they're not coming out like Black Ops 3, that's a myth. Just accept you want none of it, fuck it, spin your whole crew for the fun of it. 116, but I'm still cold stunning it. Somebody ask somebody who's running it. Who's running our scene? It's 2014, I'm ahead of your team. Brother had big man scared of a teen. If you don't know JK, where have you been? Shock of a next man, that's not me. RP Death man, that's my G. Interview rooms with the CCTV, but I'm telling them man, that's not me. No way, nah, that's not me.
Act like a waste man, that's not me. Sex any girl, nah, that's not me. Lips any girl, nah, that's not me. Yeah, I used to wear LV, put it all in the bin, cause that's not me. True, I used to look like you, but dressing like a mess, nah, that's not me. Act like a waste man, that's not me. Sex any girl, nah, that's not me. Lips any girl, nah, that's not me. Yeah, I used to wear Gucci, I put it all in the bin, cause that's not me. True, I used to look like you, but dressing like a mess, nah, that's not me.
Bruv, I didn't look at it this way before, but as I approach my birthday, all you man are my youngers. You man are my youngers, bruv.
If you can't do 10k for a suite, then I don't wanna hear no chat about numbers. You man are my youngers, all blacked out like grungers. 10s and 20s and 100s, 10s and 20s and thousands. I can't ever just loud them. On Mount Everest shouting, soon go back to the mountains. Third album, nigga, I blessed the beat with smoke. And my day one bros, they kept me close. Then I sit my technique, take a tour. They're trying to get me on the ropes. I ain't broke, especially in this cold. So please, man, let's just be adults. And don't be flexing in my boat. Nigga, you can't test me, I'm the GOAT. Rolex collections looking dope. I got the Pepsi and the Hope. And I ain't flexing on you niggas, car. I'll still be sexy if I'm broke. Wait there, and I was made to win, like I'm designed to blow. We're doing major things, but it's a minor though. I used to pay for things, but that was time ago. When I would hit you niggas with a wily flow, it's like bad 'em up once. Never could you take me for a dunce. Been on the scene for 100 months. All I met is bare cunts. Take man for lunch, idiot youths get punched. Pick one boy from your bunch, tell man jump. Oh, you didn't wanna jump well. Oh well, look now you slumped, little nigga I swear. Get out my lane, get out my lane. North and east and west are hot, but the south some flames. This year I'ma be a household name. I grew up in a house of pain. I don't do it for the clout or fame. All the real niggas gonna vouch for my name. All the real niggas gonna vouch for my. Yeah. If you ain't got more than 5 top 10s, then I don't wanna hear no chat about charting. You man are just starting, coming like a young Chris Martin. Start swinging with my arms like Carlton, start swinging with my arms like Anthony. All my niggas been charged, don't amp me. Have you misses in a bra and panty? If you see me in a dance, I'm anti. Quite frankly, heavyweight champion of the world. They wanna woo me from my belt. If you ever hear Stormzy caught a nail, no, I stood tall before I fell. There's a couple birthdays coming up, so I took like a quarter from the shelf. Spent like 100 on my mum, then about 140 on myself. The melee I sported like Pharrell, but I got the Nautilus as well. All of these stories that I live, my nigga, these are the stories that I tell. Wait there, and I was made to win, like I'm designed to blow. We're doing major things, but it's a minor though. I used to pay for things, but that was time ago. When now I hit you niggas with a wider flow, it's like run up on them, man, laughing, fuck it. You got a chain, but you tuck it, fuck it. Man, throw dirt on my name, blood, fuck it. Slew anybody in the family, fuck it. Run up on them, man, laughing, fuck it. You got a chain, but you tuck it, fuck it. Man, throw dirt on my name, blood, fuck it. Slew anybody in the family, aye.
Last 3 tunes kinda prove that I did this. Man, what you say I put a U on my shit list? Must be the same old you in the dinner hall, primary, sipping on my juice and my biscuits. I'm from a place where you move to the witness, stare in your face, selling business is business. Came for the fame, but she stayed for the litness. Ask your new girl, she loves Mr. Skang. You never ever see me with guys known for verbals. My brothers pull up a sky, no rehearsals. Don't switch sides, there's no rope reversals. How's the best spitter and grime so commercial? Wait, nobody said you're good, done your chat. Your girl tech the wood lumberjack. Hit him with a lighter flex, humble brag. I can't drop the bag, I'm the bag. Yeah. Yeah. If you ain't got no platinum plaques, then I don't wanna hear no chat about. No, I'm joking, man.
Man outside, everything live, man out on job, man I got vibes, don't know who said, we ain't the greatest, mention grime, we are the baitest, man I got a wind dog, man I go hard, kill a MC then go to my yard, and if you act too hard then that's a red card.
I can make a new business plan, I can round up 100 niggas in the trenches. Going against me, that's stupid, beef with me is expensive, I hope you trust in your friendships. Gonna need a full clip, something extended, no way I'm not your father, if I gotta put him in care, better know that's something intensive. Man I go 0 to 100, man so passive aggressive. Pull up outside and something offensive. I do not care what the ends is. Fuck who's in fashion, I do not care what the trend is. I step on the stage, it's murder. BBK might headline the festival, got the fans jumping the fences.
Every time I went in, man went hard. Every time I stepped in, man stepped hard. Doing this thing from the start, send them man shells like Mario Kart. Yeah, man, a gas like when Mario starts. Tell him I'm Wario's dog. The beef is vegan, the Harry Rolls aren't. No, man, that I locked in the can, that card. Tell him in advance, don't come to the dance if you ain't got paper. Straight red card, I will send man yard like I see man later. Show love if I think you're a hater. Me and my G's, them are doing it major. Faded, I spun a chillin' invader. All my gal are naughty by nature.
Man outside, everything live, man out on job, man I got vibes, don't know who said, we ain't the greatest, mention grime, we are the baitest, man I got a wind dog, man I go hard, kill a MC then go to my yard, and if you act too hard then that's a red card.
Man are outside in the driver's side of wifey's ride, yeah, 100 bags, hybrid thing, still leave man at the light, bad boy crep, man I got bare, bedroom full up at SK Air, but I don't wear them out, not cause I don't wanna wear them out, but I don't wanna wear them out, you get me, online mogul, I'm one of them, took a year out with family and friends. Now man's back, spit 2 bars, jeez, online mogul again. Bust bare jokes like mogul again. They say more money, more problems, but it looks like man broke the mold with that one there still, cause everything is bland.
I'm a bit in this thing, just know I ain't petting. You got all that P and you still don't get it. You can see but you got no vision, I jump on the rhythm and disrespect it. Fuck with my meds, get sent to the medics. Kiss me online then see me and beg it. Red card, might see me anywhere in the world, but I'm still in my ends hard. Man can't ring me and ask where I know his girl from, man better hang up and read out. BBK till I'm old and see now. Big money sound got the pounds on speed out. Freedom I pre now. Put the swags on, oh my gosh. Where did you get that? What did it cost? Got couple bait things hollering me now.
Don't get rude, don't act bad. Trust me fam, don't spoil it. Anybody talking shit, avoid it. Them man are tweeting while they're sitting on the toilet talking shit. You think that you're one in this game? We've got the joystick, made the right choices. Too many unique voices, no you can never exploit this. Way too gone, too many stages man I played on. Done shows in Europe, been Hong Kong. After the dance man got a one gone. You can't keep up man, a long gone. Way too elegant, 10 years deep, still relevant. Leave no evidence. When we walk in the room man, make space for the elephants.
Man outside, everything live, man out on job, man I got vibes, don't know who said, we ain't the greatest, mention grime, we are the baitest, man I got a wind dog, man I go hard, kill a MC then go to my yard, and if you act too hard then that's a red card.
Swan, ratchet, so we move and get ratchet.
Yo, doing that more, 2 litre dung, cutting through anyone's hood. Basil brush, you're hearing that boom. That gal leng, back then chung. Walk on street, don't dare look. But I know most man shook. Caution, if man could, they would. Darling, tell me how you look so good. Doing that more, 2 litre dung, cutting through anyone's hood. Basil brush, you're hearing that boom. That gal leng, back then chung. Walk on street, don't dare look. But I know most man shook. Caution, if man could, they would. Darling, tell me how you look so good.
Good. The tea house ain't got no connection, attention. We put enough men in detention. Got sat on his ass, try get back up. So it's only got smoke, no Benson. She loves me, bando. In the air, some fuck off tension. Yo, bro got a cake, can't mention. Gentry left it messy, no fencing. She loves me and I love me too, so she knows bando got the magic. We done said we party with smoke, won't party without anywhere, gang slap it. Yo, but I don't wanna hear about slap it, tap it, manual ding dong on matic. She look nice in her clothes, good fabric, hat trick. Bro got 3 splash addict.
Cute one, sweet like cinnamon, brown and different, she ain't like the rest. Pull up on peds, everyone's stressed. Car or bike, it depends. You ever pulled up brave like feds, but the gang don't know about making the rest. E-camp cars trying to create an offense, all bros too loose, done a shaving again. Bro, back that smoke on my man, fry man, holding the firm in his right hand. Don't talk like you bad, you ain't like that. Dots big in my hand like an iPad. Knife that, slide that right inside that. Feds on the kid, man, they tryna indict, man. Have you ever ridden a ride that's hijacked? Bad bees on my case, you want pipe, man.
Olympic ying, man. Ying. Swing like Sinbad. Doing that monk, man, rise and ling that. Don't get packed, man, pray for the kid back. See it on a maze, told bro, and them spin that. Dior with a Mary drop. She giving you chat and she giving me top. One fuck taste, your gorgeous fuck. Don't you know I ball so hard like FIFA? Don't you know bro let fly like Peter? Ski like scraps, cause you came with Nina. Whoosh let beat like Tina. If you get catch and you don't turn duppy. You're lucky, you're lucky, you're lucky. My man's mad, cause G is honey. Funny, you're funny, you're funny. Doing that more, 2 litre dung, cutting through anyone's hood. Basil brush, you're hearing that boom. That gal leng, back then chung. Walk on street, don't dare look. But I know most man shook. Caution, if man could, they would. Darling, tell me how you look so good. Doing that more, 2 litre dung, cutting through anyone's hood. Basil brush, you're hearing that boom. That gal leng, back then chung. Walk on street, don't dare look. But I know most man shook. Caution, if man could, they would. Darling, tell me how you look so good.
Millions, I've been charting for ages. Baba Millie up in her playlist, killing it. Give her wood, she can't take it. Dicking it, bust my nut, let her taste it. Similar, tender touch, nothing basic. Pickle it, picante, make her shake it. Climax, cool, so left her leg shaking. Figure 8, long my legs, I can't break it. I ain't got no manners, them man yap ain't causing damage. Rhythm back, watch him lose his balance. My girl's greedy, but a man's a savage. Face deep, but I don't mind a challenge. Reflex got an amazing talent. Deeper, pulling me close, can't manage sativa. Bun enough weed like Wiz Khalifa. Dark hole strapped up, ready for diva. Cognac, rush ain't into tequila. Rush been lit since Becky and Keisha. Gandhi and chat, them I chat like Tanisha. Jumpy, when I'm on stage it's a wheel up. Dot, bang that round to Serena's. S-Flash, met juice, book couple liters.
Got the drop on homie's address. You know bros don't rest. Salam man with the right, box man with the left. You know Kuf Cup Quef. Yes. It's R.I.P. if the young boy chef. Now you're brought on a t-shirt like Cortez. Obviously gal just hop on. Doggy that gal with Crocs on. With them boy tryna get drops on. Car got a serious watch on. The man that I walk with 30. Spin that, sturdy. Lord have mercy. Bro just bust that thanks to the barrister. Real madman, you know. Hunting carrier. Shows in Greece, had shanks in Malia. Different caliber. Through that mash, cause the feds weren't catching up. Lost that arm like Jamie Lannister. Like gal throwing with a language barrier. Big back, fat him up.
That tough talk better cut right down. Got the things that we got for a stranger, I turn your world upside down. Round here's not safe for you. Your grandma better pray for you. On on your ends like Thames. I told the young G's wait for you. In a stolen with a Poland. Doing all that trolling till we hold him. KD phoning free the broden. Keep my wrist frozen like it's swollen. I don't want a lotion, no emotion. Ting skin golden, remove clothing. Whole thing soaking when I'm stroking. Like an ocean. Is it me or the VVS? Bro boys give me PTS. Up boys wanna see me stress. Mill deal on a PDF. Little bro made a K-pop BTS. French ting give me EE text. Says she wanna come London. Easy jet. But my West things here can't see me yet.
And I be like, listen, little man, play your position. It's Big Frisco, I'm in the kitchen cooking up grub. When I come through, I'm on nothing but crud. Nothing but crud, send it out to my fans, it's nothing but love. If a man try and come and eat my lettuce, I will fill him up with nothing but slug. Try no, I make the girls hit high notes, I go against the grain. So if a man try go against my name, mad thing. Cause I might just buckle your frame. Oh gosh, self-made, I'm my own boss. Smoke the lems and toes off. Sometimes I don't wanna be around nobody, I just wanna get lean with my phone on. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4 3, 2, 1, bag of shots at your door. Spit punchlines that are taking off jaws. Big Frisco, rough, rugged and raw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 8, 9, 10 big shots at your melon. And we don't care what you reckon. Got a strap city bus and it can teach you a lesson. I'm too blessed to be stressed out. BBK with the best out. Integrity's here, connect you ask comments, of course I've gotta be the next out. So I don't care about the rest out. I take a flight with the team and flex out. I got no squares in my circle. Anybody that wants got X'd out. Check it outside, they step it out. Step in the ring with me, you won't make it out. My dog's got a dog that's full of teeth and he's dying to let it out. From day one I've been murking. Them and I hating but it ain't working. I put the work in, so don't hate on me when I'm doing my thing and it's working. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4 3, 2, 1, bag of shots at your door. Spit punchlines that are taking off jaws. Big Frisco, rough, rugged and raw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 8, 9, 10 big shots at your melon. And we don't care what you reckon. Got a strap city bus and it can teach you a lesson.
7, 6, 5, 4 3, 2, 1, bag of shots at your door. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 8, 9, 10 big shots at your melon. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4 3, 2, 1, bag of shots at your door. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 8, 9, 10 big shots at your melon. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4 3, 2, 1, bag of shots at your door. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 8, 9, 10 big shots at your melon. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4 3, 2, 1, bag of shots at your door. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 8, 9, 10 big shots at your melon.
Production.
See, don't be on the road too tough, but I still cut you with the local tugs. Could I ran off the plug, but I kept it real and I showed him love. Lil' bro got the poker touch, where we grow up is so corrupt. Fancy me on the block, go nuts, I'm not in my bag, I'm loading. Back then it was hand to hand, nowadays I don't have no involvement. In the trap I stay on my own, I'm home alone, Macaulay coking. YJ no commented that it's complicated, cause the case still open. The boys in blue tryna find them clues in the station, problem solving. Bro just jumped out the ride with a mask on face like he dodging COVID. Jumped off the porch and went my own way, no way, I don't owe no orders. Free all the guys and rest in peace to all of the fallen soldiers. The world full up of impactive distractions, so we all lose focus. I think out loud, what comes out my mouth, I can't control it. Live yours on a chain, I'm sold it. Soon come out with a custom clothing. Fuck's sake, you must be joking. Sid's outside of the cup patrolling. How did they know about the ins and outs? Somebody must have told them. See, don't be on the road too tough, but I still cut you with the local tugs. Could I ran off the plug, but I kept it real and I showed him love. Lil' bro got the poker touch, where we grow up is so corrupt. Fancy me on the block, go nuts, I'm not in my bag, I'm loading. Back then it was hand to hand, nowadays I don't have no involvement. In the trap I stay on my own, I'm home alone, Macaulay coking. YJ no commented that it's complicated, cause the case still open. The boys in blue tryna find them clues in the station, problem solving. See, don't do no fraud, I trap, say yo to the local cat. See me on the road all black, my foot on the gas and I won't fall back. Bro, been in the jail and he won't go back. I fought bare hoes and he ain't all that. I'm missing their cool and I won't phone back. It's time that I find me a wife. More time, I don't have no type, but I wouldn't mind me a Leon man. Treat her right, I try. Find no things in life I buy. Wanna wine and dine, that's fine. If we go uptown, gotta hold that. Wanna fly to Dubai tonight, lastminute.com, I'll book that flight. See, don't be on the road too tough, but I still cut through with the local tugs. Coulda ran off the plug, but I kept it real and I showed him love. Lil' bro got the poker touch, where we grow up is so corrupt. Fancy me on the block, go nuts, I'm not in my bag, I'm loading. Back then it was hand to hand, nowadays I don't have no involvement. In the trap I stay on my own, I'm home alone, Macaulay coking. YJ no commented that it's complicated, cause the case still open. The boys in blue tryna find them clues in the station, problem solving.
Production. Trap House Mob.
Yo, what you telling me?
What you telling me? Yeah, I got Stacks to the right of me. I got Mikey to the left of me, huh? Wait. What? Look. Hold on. What they talking about? What them folks talking about, huh?
Look, but he gon' get that, send shots, make him get back. All that chit chat, riff rap, my they into that. We talking hopper, he ain't on. I got like 50 rounds up in this clip. If I know the jump, I'll plead the fifth. Cause mommy still gon' love a kid. Tryna lock me up and give me a bed. I'm like pigs. The judge like, why you acting like this? I said I'm moving like I'm Stephen Vick. My lawyer like, puppy, why you brazen? I said I pop up and feel amazing. Shoot for the stars, I'm a foundation. Look at the money I'm raising. She wanna, hold on. She stuck in a book, have a wait for arraignment. She get edible arrangements. That's the only form of payment. Shorty a snack. And after I stack, I'ma blow her back. She like, Poppy, you so crazy, huh? I told her, wine on me, baby. She wanna start, she wanna cause she know who we are. These dirty ain't hearing them raw. When they come up, I got galore. She wanna grip that, lick that, put a stick at. Freak my where her lips at. She going no gas, no chit chat. She going no gas, no chit chat. Hey, bum. Here come that boy with the drum. If I pull it out, then that boy gonna run. If he want the smoke, like the beef out his bun. Hey, I go dumb. Air it out, leave him slump. What they say, they know that I'm Gucci. Pull out with a pump.
Alright, let me get the spicy yellowtail. Need that. What'd you say, Don? You need the Wagyu tacos? Let him get that. Lobster tempura, always need that. You know what, fuck it, just bring a whole bunch of shit out and I'll tell you if I like it or not. Come on.
Tutus. I get distracted, pockets fat with a new boo. Baby, at the guy, give me a call it no boo. The shot is sloppy, she asked for the Bluetooth. Ran into a wild dog, young dog got a loose screw. I'm getting that head dog while looking for the Bluetooth. I made a blog about a little shawty on YouTube. 2 freaks in one room, nigga, what would you do? Officer, I'm sorry, baby, I was throwing 100. I'm sorry. Smoke blown in your face, and now you want all my money. I'm sorry. Better read me my rights, you know none ain't no dummy. I'm sorry. I get checks, I'm hard to impress, I just like police, please. I be honest, I love my block, down back in the streets, please. The way my shit be rumbling, humming, you need one of these. Took me long enough, little baby, to find my keys, yeah. I like pyramid tutus. I get distracted, pockets fat with a new boo. Baby, at the cafeteria, calling no boo. The shot is sloppy, she asked for the Bluetooth. Ran into a wild dog, young dog got a loose screw. I'm getting that head dog while looking for the Bluetooth. I made a blog about a little shawty on YouTube. Two freaks in one room, nigga, what would you do?
When I bought a new ring, set it on some new shoes. I can act like Luke Kane, I can play the fool. Yeah, I wanna spend propane, no way I can lose. Hope I don't go insane, been floating on shrooms. Feel like somebody spin the room. How much I make an exit soon? Someone slip me an exit too. It went straight to my head. I don't know what I hit it to. To the foreign and spit. Look my nigga, my hands are pulled. Like a pussy on wet. She won't come to the spot and have a seat. I know rap with that Michelin next. You a boy that ain't made it out the nest. Hustle more to bring you less of stress. You my home, I'ma treat you to the best. Mama floor, my house will cost a check. Feel like Floyd hit Vegas on the jet. Pulling hard like I play for the Knicks.
I like how many tutus. I get distracted, pockets fat with a new boo. Baby, at the cafeteria, calling Noble. The shot is sloppy, she asked for the Bluetooth. Ran into a wild dog, young dog got a loose screw. I was getting that head dog while looking for the Bluetooth. I made a blog about a little shawty on YouTube. Two freaks in one room, nigga, what would you do? What would you do? What would you do?
NWA music.
What would you do?
Axel.
That's how the niggas cat.
Trap house mob.
Niggas spraying they juice.
They expecting
That is
this
not
one.
that. Facts. My bitch love Coco. Woo bag baby. Woo bag baby. Yeah. Let me see some. Okay. Look, you cannot say pop and forget the smoke. I'm from the floors where niggas told they couldn't be cribs, so they turn folk. Driving through the veil, dropping a joke. I gotta laugh cause these niggas jokes. Drill like, who these niggas? I don't know. But I'm on go, and I'm in that Bugatti, moving 200, giving bucks like who shot you? Me and Trey, that's 4 choppers. Man down. All you see is helicopters. Paramedics, pick him up. They gon' send him to the doctor. I'm in the hood like an engine, revving. Get that nigga. My chicks is clearing. Your chicks is spending. And I got a couple gangsters. Let me know. If you want smoke, cause boy I can send them. And I got a bad bitch. Ass up. Face down. Yeah, she love doggy style. And she got a Louis bag. That whole extendo. Okay. Flex. My bitch love Coco. Woo bag baby. Let me see some. Okay. My bitch love Coco. Woo bag baby. Let me see some. Okay.
Got it jumping out the zoo. Seeing red, seeing blue. Yelling flame, hot moves. Pop flare, hot. Break my head down till I have my face. Duck away. She wanna lay up and hibernate. I took a chance, there's a lot to take. I took her right in and up right away. She need a chunk, not a piece. It cost me 3 for the keys. Not the work, but the V. She let it twirl to the beat. I send the word, better reach. Wearing pearls, expensive bees. I only hurl at my peak. Cuts, diamond cuts, out in public. 2 cups, over stuff, now I'm up. Cause she never, but she talking. We both get enough. Nah.
My bitch love Coco. Woo bag baby. Let me see some. Okay. My bitch love Coco. Woo bag baby. Let me see some.